We have started our expedition for Yopurgil, that is at 22,360 feet. Right now we are heading towards our base camp, and yesterday was our loot ferry day, which I have posted on Instagram through reels. And wait, let me show you the area, how it is. There's Satvik and one more member of my team. There are no trees at all, guys, and you need to ascend from Nako for this peak. This is basically the starting area of moraines. I hope you can see these. The view is really great, guys, and here is Satvik. He is the leader of our team. Satvik, कहाँ से जाना है?
यहाँ से जाएंगे ऊपर।
That ridge जहाँ पे ये fog है? Okay. So we have negotiated some of the area, and it's mostly rocky patch. So we are high ankle trekking shoes, and there are our two teammates coming, and we are resting. Here is Satvik, and we need to cross like 2 to 3 ridges like these to reach our base camp. But the view is amazing, and this is worth climbing these mountains. So the rest is over. Now let's climb that ridge and head towards our base camp. Chale Satvik. We have negotiated that half of the ridge, and I must say it's quite hard to climb with such a load on my back. There is Satvik, and we came from that patch. That's the route we took, and we need to go up to those cairns. Our teammates are down there. It's quite hard, but we'll do it. We have conquered that ridge. We came from down there, and here is welcome to new ridges. We need to cross these ridge, and after that we will reach our base camp. It's around 1.5 to 2 hours of journey. The route is more of big boulders, and the proper moraine has started. I can show you. You need to climb these moraines, and then you'll reach this point. This is the second last ridge. After that there is one more ridge that we need to cross. After that we'll reach our base camp. I can see my teammates down there. There are my teammates. We were waiting for them, and nothing, just the gorgeous view. We came right from there. We have negotiated that area, and we have negotiated that second last ridge line, and the one you can see in my back is the last one. After that there is one more ridge line on which there is our base camp. वहाँ तक हमने जाना है, and here is my team sitting. There's Satvik, and there's our army guys. These are mountaineers, and they are here to open our route for Yopurgil, as they are quite experienced and have done it around 6 to 7 times. I mean, Dogra scouts have done it 7 to 8 times. So let's see. Now I can see the last ridge. Here is our base camp. There, that ridge. We need to go till there. This was our previous camping location for base camp, but the problem with this place is now there is no water source, so we have to climb up for water. And the time is here when I have reached the base camp of Rio Purgil, that is at 22,360 feet, and this is our base camp, and the water source is right there. That's why we have set up our camp at this altitude. Altitude right now is approximately 16,500 feet. So good morning to all of you. I'm at base camp of Rio Purgil, and today we need to head towards advanced base camp. It will take around 5 to 6 hours, but the bad thing is weather is not good. We need to head towards this direction, but the weather is not good. Whereas the packing is done and even the mule is being loaded. Everything is great. It's just the weather is not good. We have started our journey from Rio Purgil base camp to advanced base camp. Here's my team climbing for advanced base camp, and rest of the team is packing the load, and then they will join us. We came from down there, but the route is not visible due to fog, and the first ridge has been negotiated, and here's my team. Rest of the team is ascending. I hope you can see 2 people ascending that ridge. We need to climb this mountain to its top. I don't think so it is visible due to fog. It's basically a steep ascent, and my teammates are already in the midway of that ridge. Let's catch. And we have negotiated the area, but the exciting part is I can again see another ridge to climb. I guess the advanced base camp is behind that ridge. And here is Satvik enjoying.
Still we are not sure.
There's a good news that weather is with us and it's quite getting good. Now we can see the ridge clearly. We need to go behind that, and then we'll know how much back we need to climb more. Let's see. And I just said weather is good, but guys, this is high altitude. यहाँ weather का कोई पता नहीं लगता है. It's been like 10 seconds जब मैंने आपको ridge दिखाया था, and see again it's foggy. Satvik, you have to say something about that.
What?
Approximately 10 seconds ago I said that weather is going great, and again it's foggy.
We are in mountains, bro. It keeps on shifting every 5 to 10 seconds.
Let's go, boy. We are last here. As the weather is so foggy and our route is not clear, you can see those stones piled up. They are helping us to identify the route, and they are called cairns. It's mostly a rocky patch, and our porters are with us, and the route is behind us. And the fun part is we don't have any idea how long it would be. We just need to keep walking, and when we'll reach, it would be great. So there's the good news. हमें आचो की खचरे दिग्गी जो सामान छोड़ के वापसी आ रही हैं. And here's Acho. This guy is Acho. Acho in Kinnauri means बड़ा भाई. And he told us that after that ridge there are only like 200 to 300 meters of route, and he told us that in around 40 minutes you will reach there. So it's a sense of happiness, and that's why we are resting a lot कि आराम से जाएंगे अब. And here is Satvik and other guys who need to climb with us. And we have reached our advanced base camp. Here's Satvik.
Feeling good.
And that's our advanced base camp for Yopurgil. And there's the water source. And we also have a small glacier there. According to me, we must be at the altitude of 18,000 feet approximate, right?
17,500 to 18,000.
Yeah, rest I'll tell you when I'll take out my watch and see the altitude. Let's go to the base camp and have some rest. And the guy is also here. पहुंच गए. It's so everyone feels so happy as their load is gonna be down. Nice. The month of August, we are receiving a snowfall here. I don't think I would be able to capture it in GoPro. It's a very slight snowfall, but it is. We are here at the base camp, advanced base camp. The kitchen has been set up, and here's Kapil bro, and the tents has also been set up. And here is Satvik cleaning the area for setting up our camp.
And this guy is just talking, doing nothing.
I am making the videos. That's much more important when we go back down. Yeah, you're doing great, bro.
नहीं उठाया, बड़े हो गया recording.